All right, everyone. So, welcome to today's Malay lesson with Aisha Josephine Polestico Lozano. The first word is makan. What is makan?
Mac and cheese.
Yes, that's right. It's to eat. What about to
Oh,
drink? What
no,
is
that's
to
makan.
drink in
You said
Malay?
it wrong. You said it wrong. It's supposed to be makan.
What about to drink? What is to drink in Malay?
Minum.
Oh, what about to sleep?
Mitulog.
No, it's tidur. It says here tidur. Tidor na ko.
Tidur.
Tidor na ko, ibu.
Like tinidor.
Kuyang. Adik. Adik. Tidor na ko. What about to wake up? What is to wake up in Malay?
Gising.
No, it's bangon.
Bangon.
Bangon. Yes. What about
That's so
to
close to Tagalog.
go? To go somewhere?
Um, I don't know.
It's a pergi. Pergi
Pergi.
ko dadto sa merkado. Mo pergi ko sa shopping mall. Next word is to come. What is to come in Malay?
The Chintu.
It's datang. Mo datang man
Machintu.
ko sa inyong party.
Oh, this is a better lighting. Okay.
What a wonderful room. Congratulations for
Yeah.
once
I know,
again
right?
reinventing your life and journey in Singapore.
Okay.
Next is to see. What is to see in Malay?
Look. I don't know. I don't know.
uh, lihat.
You have to
Ilihat
say the
na.
Malay word and use it in a sentence.
Mulihat ra ko unya. Lihatan ra nako unya. Lihatan nako. Kabaw ka, lihatan gud nako.
Gagawin, to do, to
I
do.
will see into it. I will look to
Oh,
it.
see.
I will look at it.
Next. Use the next
Horrible
Malay
lighting
word in
for
a
you.
sentence.
Next
Really?
is to hear. What is to hear in Malay?
No,
Yo.
you say the Malay word and use it in a
Okay, this will
sentence
be
and
the
I'll
last one.
guess.
This will be the last reversed one. What is to hear in Malay?
I don't know.
Dengar. Nadengar
Tenga.
yun na ako. Nakabaw sila magmalay.
Malay.
Next is chakap. What is chakap or bear
You
chakap?
have to say the sentence, diba?
Okay, chakapan ako siya unya. Kabalo siya mag-bear
To,
chakap. Gachakap siya.
um,
Makachakap siya.
to
Hilig
cook,
siya
to
mag-bear
cook,
chakap.
to cook.
No, it's to talk or speak. What about menulis? What is menulis in English?
Sentence.
Akong
Sentence.
menulison unya ang kailangan nato palitun.
To write.
That's right.
It's like lapis. Minulis.
Yeah, or tulis. Hold up.
Okay.
Next is membaka. Membakahon na ko unyang iyang gisulat.
To
Memba.
read.
That's right.
That's too obvious.
Next is Bear Jalan. Bear Jalano na ko unya ang iyang store.
To buy.
Dili.
Ay,
Muadto
to
ko sa
visit.
iyang store unya, magberjalan lang ko.
Visit.
No, it's walk. I'm walking on
Oh,
air
jalan, jalan.
tonight.
Bakit laging unya?
Mm. Well, it can't be now, can't it? Can it? Yeah. Next is Bear Larry. What is Bear Larry in English?
Y-
Bear
Sentence.
Larry ang akong himuon sa pagkita nako sa iyaha pag-abot niya daari. Moberlari ko, moberlari jud ko. Paingon sa iyaha, pero kung dala niya ang lain, moberlari ko palayo.
Run!
That's
Run!
right.
Berlari ko palayo.
What is dudok? Pag-abot na ko sa iyang opisina, tan-aw ko sa iyang lingkuranan, nidudok yun ko kalit.
Sit. To sit.
That's right.
Kalit jud.
Yeah.
Kalit yung
As in,
pag-upo niya.
Bill Kaulitz. Bear Deary. Pag-abot niya, ni Bear Deary yun ko. Kay grabe kay siya ka taas.
Stand. To stand.
Kanang, oh, stand is correct.
Wala. Taas
Next
kay siya.
is memasak. Ay nga palangga, good siya na ako. Kay gimelasakan ko niya. Ay memasakan di ay. Kabaw jud ko
Palangga.
napalangga ko niya. Kay ginamemasakan man ko niya.
Massage.
No.
What?
Lami jud siya mo may masak.
Cook.
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
Next
Well,
is
massage the chicken.
Belahar. Belahar. Niadto ko sa iyang eskwelahan. Tanong ko sa iyang classroom. So, ako na-obserba na mayo siya mo belahar.
Mag-study.
That's right. Next is Mengahar. Mengahar. Sa iyang edad na 15 ra, kabaw na siya mag-mengahar.
Mag-read.
Tanaw ko dito siyang presentation na unya siya man naka-A sa student class. Kabaw jud ko na mayo siya magmemahar kay sunod-sunod jud ang mga estudyante na nakahibaw unsaon pagsulbad atong problema ng kadto.
Study nga.
No.
Hindi pa?
Mengahar is to teach.
Mag-teach.
Next is Membel. Membel.
Bell.
Pagkita
Membel.
na ako sa iya, kabaw jud ko. Nang iya ang kabaw kay mag-membel. Membeli.
Mag-cheat.
Ang iya ra yung kamayuon nagabuhaton kay mambeli.
Mag-bully.
No, it's bye. Next
Bye.
and last for our Malay class is menjual. Menjual. Niadto ko siyang merkado. May jud siya mag-menjual. Kay hurot ko diyang stock. Wa pala nagduha ka oras.
To sell.
That's right. Menja lang ari.
And lang